In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Skybox Office. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in sky.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Skybox Office website. From this page, just tap on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the sign in page. Now, from the sign in page, you can also create your new account if you don't have one already. Just type in your email address that you wish to use for sign up and then tap on the continue button. You will then be taken into the sign up portal in which you will be asked to enter your name. Type in your name and enter the preferred password for your account. And then make sure you click on the checkbox and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to verify your email address. Just tap on the send email button and you will be asked to check your inbox. So just log into your email address and you will find an email from Skybox Office from which you can click on the link within to verify your account. Just click on the verify now button and now your newly created account will be verified. And from this point on, you can enter your username or email address and your password to directly sign in to your newly created account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Skybox Office. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.